everyone, and welcome to another deep dive. Today we're looking at travel cooking appliances.
Ooh, fun.
You're getting ready for that big trip, and you want to know which portable cooking gadgets are actually worth it in 2025.
I like where this is going.
Yeah, and forget about those clunky camp stoves you might be picturing.
Right.
We're talking about some sleek, innovative devices that can whip up a gourmet meal anywhere.
Okay.
Rice cookers that are small enough to fit in your backpack.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ovens powered by your car.
Okay. I'm intrigued.
Oh yeah, we're going there.
It's so interesting how travel cooking has kind of evolved beyond just convenience,
Right.
It's about taking control of your food choices and embracing this flexible and self-sufficient travel style.
Definitely. And all of our sources highlight some really compelling reasons to consider a travel cooking appliance.
Okay.
First off, think of all the money you'll save by not eating out for every meal.
Yeah.
That alone could fund an extra excursion or two.
Totally. And not to mention the health benefits.
Oh.
You have complete control over the ingredients,
You do.
which is a game changer.
Yeah.
For maintaining a healthy lifestyle, even on the go.
For sure. Okay, let's dive into the top 5 appliances that have us drooling.
Okay.
Kicking things off with the InstaHeat portable induction cooktop.
Okay.
It sounds futuristic.
It is surprisingly efficient.
Really?
Yeah, so instead of using traditional heat sources, induction cooking uses magnetic fields to heat the cookware directly.
Oh, wow.
So this means less heat loss and faster cooking times.
Oh.
Plus, it's much safer for indoor use because there's no open flame.
That's super cool, but since it relies on magnetic fields, does that mean you can only use certain types of cookware with it?
That is a great question.
Yeah.
Yes, your cookware needs to be made from a magnetic material,
Okay.
like cast iron or stainless steel.
Got it.
You can usually tell if a pot or pan is compatible if a magnet sticks to the bottom.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
What about when you're off the grid, say camping in a national park? Do you need a portable power station to use this thing?
Ah, that's the trade-off.
Yeah.
While it is incredibly convenient for hotels or even car camping, you would definitely need a power source for the InstaHeat in more remote locations.
Right?
Maybe that's where our next contender comes in.
Okay, let's hear it.
Next up is the Travelissimo portable rice cooker. And let me tell you, this little gadget is a game changer,
Really?
especially for solo travelers or those who just like to pack light.
You're telling me, imagine this.
Yeah.
You're trekking through the Himalayas.
You okay?
You're craving a warm, comforting meal.
Yes.
You pull out this compact rice cooker. It's no bigger than a water bottle.
Right.
And in minutes, you have a steaming bowl of perfectly cooked rice to fuel your adventures.
Wow.
That's what I call travel freedom.
Exactly. And it's not just limited to rice.
Oh,
This versatile device can also whip up soups, stews,
okay.
even a hearty oatmeal for breakfast.
That's awesome.
Plus, with a non-stick pot, cleaning up is a breeze even when you're on the move.
No, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Versatility and convenience, all packed into one tiny appliance.
Exactly.
I'm already picturing myself using this on my next backpacking trip.
Speaking of versatility, let's move on to an option that's perfect for families or larger groups.
Okay.
The Vango Blaze double portable gas stove.
2 burners.
Yeah.
That's practically gourmet cooking on the go.
Yeah.
I can already smell the delicious meal simmering away.
You got it.
Wow.
The dual burners mean you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously,
Okay.
saving you precious time and making meal prep much more efficient.
Right.
It's ideal if you're traveling with a crew
Yeah.
and need to feed several hungry mouths.
Okay, so I'm sold on the 2 burners.
Right.
But does that extra cooking power mean it's bulkier and heavier than the other options?
That's a good point.
Yeah.
There's always a trade-off, right?
Right.
While it's not as compact as the rice cooker, the Vango Blaze is still relatively portable
Okay.
and folds down neatly for easy storage.
All right, so we've got options for solo travelers, families, and everyone in between.
Right.
What else is cooking?
Now, for something that might surprise you,
Okay.
the Hot Logic mini portable oven.
A portable oven.
Yes, you heard that right.
Okay, color me intrigued.
A portable oven.
Is this for baking fresh cookies on a mountaintop?
It's not for baking from scratch,
Oh.
but it's perfect for reheating leftovers, or pre-prepped meals.
Okay.
Imagine you've grabbed some delicious takeout on your travels.
Yeah.
Instead of settling for cold leftovers,
Right.
you can pop them in the Hot Logic, plug it in, and enjoy a perfectly reheated meal.
I see. So it's more about elevating your on-the-go dining experience
Exactly.
rather than full-on cooking.
Yeah,
That's still super handy, especially for hotel stays or even just bringing lunch to work.
exactly. It's all about convenience and making the most of your food no matter where you are.
I love that. Okay, on to our final contender. What do we got?
Last but certainly not least, we have the Gourmet Travel Electric Kettle.
Mmm.
And here's the kicker, it's foldable.
Foldable.
Talk about space-saving genius.
Okay, that's pretty impressive. I'm always trying to maximize space in my luggage, so that's a huge plus.
Right.
But let's be honest, it's just for boiling water, right? What's so special about it?
Don't underestimate the power of hot water.
Okay,
This little kettle is a lifesaver for instant coffee tea,
right.
or even a quick cup of noodles.
Right.
Plus, it has a dual voltage feature,
Oh,
meaning you can use it in countries with different electrical systems.
interesting.
No more bulky travel adapters.
Oh, wow, that's a detail I never would have thought of.
Yeah?
Dual voltage. Explain that like I'm 5.
Okay, so think of it like this. Different countries have different electrical languages.
Okay,
A dual voltage appliance is like a bilingual traveler,
got it.
able to speak both languages and work perfectly in either place.
Makes sense.
It's a must-have for international travel.
All right, so we've got a high-tech induction cooktop, a mini rice cooker, a double burner gas stove, a portable oven, and a foldable electric kettle.
Yep.
That's quite a lineup.
It is.
But with all these amazing options, how do you even begin to choose the right appliance for your specific needs?
That's where it gets really interesting.
Yeah,
It's not a one-size-fits-all situation.
right.
The ideal appliance for you depends on your individual travel style,
Okay.
the types of food you want to prepare, and your power accessibility.
Okay, I'm ready to dive deeper into those decision-making factors.
Okay.
Where do we start?
Let's start with portability.
Okay, so if I'm backpacking through Europe, I'm guessing that means I'm going to want something super compact and lightweight.
Right.
Like that Travelissimo rice cooker we talked about.
You got to imagine navigating those cobblestone streets,
Oh, yeah.
hopping on and off trains
Right.
with a heavy, bulky appliance.
Oh, no,
Not exactly ideal.
not at all.
So for backpacking or any trip where you're really prioritizing packing light,
Yeah.
that rice cooker or even that foldable kettle would be great choices.
But let's say I'm on a road trip with my family.
Okay.
And we have a little more space. Maybe that Van Gogh Blaze double burner gas stove is worth considering, even
Yeah.
if it takes up a bit more room.
Absolutely. If you're not as limited by weight and space,
Yeah.
and you enjoy cooking more elaborate meals,
Right.
that double burner stove could be a real asset.
For sure. And of course, we can't forget about power sources.
Right. Power is a crucial consideration.
It is.
Before you even start browsing appliances,
Yeah.
think about where you'll be traveling and what kind of power access you'll have.
Okay.
Are you staying in hotels with reliable electricity?
Right.
Or will you be venturing off-grid to remote campsites?
Okay, so if I'm going off the grid,
Yeah,
I'd need to either choose a gas-powered appliance like that Van Gogh Blaze,
right.
or make sure I have a portable power station to power up my electric gadgets.
Exactly. It's all about planning ahead
Right.
and choosing an appliance that aligns with your travel style and power accessibility.
For sure. Now, let's talk versatility.
Okay?
Some of these appliances can do so much more than their names suggest. Like that rice cooker that can also make soups and stews.
Yeah.
That's pretty amazing.
Multifunctionality is key.
Yeah.
Especially when you're trying to pack light.
Right.
Think about the types of meals you enjoy and choose an appliance that can handle a variety of dishes.
Got it.
Do you love a hearty breakfast porridge?
He do.
The Travelissimo rice cooker has got you covered.
Nice.
Craving a comforting soup after a day of exploring?
Ooh, yeah.
That same rice cooker can whip it up in no time.
And let's be real, who wants to spend their precious vacation time scrubbing pots and pans?
Yeah, I know.
Ease of cleaning is a must.
Nobody wants a vacation chore list.
Right.
Look for appliances with removable nonstick parts
Okay.
that can be easily washed.
Right.
That nonstick pot in the rice cooker,
Yeah.
total lifesaver.
Totally agree. And lastly, we need to think about cooking capacity.
Right. Are you cooking for 1, 2, or a whole crew?
Yeah.
This is where knowing your travel style really comes in handy.
Yeah. So solo travelers or couples might be perfectly happy with the Travelissimo rice cooker,
Right.
or the Hot Logic mini oven for single servings,
Mm-hmm.
while larger groups would need something with a bigger capacity like the Van Gogh Blaze double burner.
Exactly. There's no right or wrong answer. It's all about finding the appliance that fits your individual needs.
Right.
What's so great about this research is that it empowers you to make an informed decision.
I like that.
It's like a choose-your-own-adventure guide to travel cooking.
Speaking of adventures, I'm already dreaming up all the amazing meals I could create on my next trip.
Me too. Imagine the possibilities.
Oh, yeah.
A steaming bowl of Thai curry cooked on an induction cooktop in a stylish Bangkok hotel room.
Ooh, that sounds amazing.
Or fresh caught trout sizzling on a gas stove by a serene mountain lake.
Okay, now I'm hungry.
Or maybe a hearty lentil stew simmering in a rice cooker during a cozy road trip through the Scottish Highlands.
All right, stop. You're making me drool.
It's not just about the appliances themselves. It's about the experiences they unlock and the memories you create.
And let's not forget about connecting with local cultures through food.
Oh, for sure.
Imagine using your travel cooking appliance to experiment with fresh, regional ingredients you discover on your journey.
Absolutely. Imagine yourself at a bustling farmer's market in Tuscany, picking up vibrant vegetables and fragrant herbs to create a delicious pasta sauce using your portable rice cooker.
Wow!
Talk about immersive travel experiences.
Okay, we've covered the why, the what, and the how of choosing the perfect travel cooking appliance.
We have.
But now for the fun part.
Yes,
What culinary creations are you going to whip up?
that's what we want to know.
I mean, we've explored everything from high-tech induction cooktops to that super clever foldable kettle.
Right.
It's amazing how many options there are out there for travelers.
And you know what's clear to me?
What's that?
There's a perfect travel cooking companion for every type of traveler out there.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Whether you're a minimalist backpacker or a family adventurer, there's an appliance out there that can help you create delicious meals and unforgettable culinary experiences on your next trip.
Absolutely. So now that we've armed you with all this knowledge and inspiration,
Yes.
we want to hear about your culinary adventures.
Yeah, what are you going to whip up?
What delicious creations are you dreaming up?
Will you be whipping up a gourmet breakfast
Ooh.
using your portable induction cooktop
Okay.
and a Parisian Airbnb?
I like it. Or maybe you'll be simmering a fragrant curry in your tiny rice cooker while camping under the stars in the Australian outback.
Or how about this?
What?
A hearty bowl of chili,
Okay.
prepared on your double burner gas stove
Nice.
while road tripping through the American Southwest.
That sounds amazing.
Don't be shy. Share your favorite travel recipes, cooking hacks, or even just your culinary daydreams with us on social media
Yeah.
using hashtag Deep Dive Kitchen.
And hey, maybe your culinary masterpiece will inspire our next deep dive.
It just might.